Right, hello there. I do quite a lot of razor reviews, as you more than likely are aware. However, I've been asked to do some reviews on the actual prep stuff. So I'm gonna do the first one, which is this. It is a shaving soap. It cost me 50p, and it's the one that I always use in my videos because it gives a very thin substrate, so it helps prevent all the blades from clogging. I find that this is brilliant. Value for money, it's absolutely fantastic. So this is 50p. It's the Palmolive, that's it, Palmolive Shave Soap. Get it from Tesco's and other ones. 50p, it's green in colour, a bit of a stick. So what you do is you wet it. Various different methods. You can apply it directly to the face. Helps if your face is a little wet first, like that. So there you go. Sometimes I rub it in my hand just to wet it and get it going. So buried in the shave preps. There we go. So it might take a little longer to apply, but that little bit longer to apply is good because it helps to make sure that it soaks in. Then you wet it and you rub. And as you can see, it goes all right from the lather. Now my theory is shaving foam, they make it white because people have traditionally thought you need it to lather white to work. And what they were doing is they were marketing the after effect rather than the real reason. Because it going white like this isn't really what you're trying to achieve, it's a side effect. What you're trying to achieve is get it nicely rubbed into the hairs. Now, I've had quite a few days growth here. This is about 4 days. Been a bit busy, not really cared about shaving, and so got quite a lot of growth here. Now, to make sure that I keep the reviews all even, I'm going to have to use the same razor. So I think to make it fair, if I use this one, yeah, it's a very basic model. It was the Lidl razor. It's about £3.60. Yeah, so fresh head on it. I think if I do a fresh head every time, that'll be fair and consistent. Very much into my fare. So, and as you can see, the back isn't fully open and that. So let's see how this one gets on. I am expecting a good shave because I often shave with this combination, no matter how long the hair is. And as you can see, cheap razor, cheap shaving prep, £3.79, 20 blades, 50p, and it's still one of my best combinations. There we go. So good I can shave against the grain straight away, even with all that growth. Yes, I know people say you can't shave against the grain, it's not good, but if I don't, I'm not going to get as tight and as clean a shave as I like. There we go. I cannot help but like this razor, even though the handle is all plastic. Doesn't feel like it should be a good quality razor. Now, the soap has dried out a little bit as I've been talking, so a little bit of extra water on it again. Now, think of it a bit like mortar, cement or plaster. It's meant to dry out, and if it dries out too far, you just add a little bit more water to soften mix up, freshen the mix. I'm sure there's similar sort of analogies that can be made in baking as well. And look, I've not stopped really. Completely clean, get through. There we go, job done. Just one little bit here. There we go. So, there we go. That was this razor that I'm going to keep using for comparison, and the 50p shaving soap, which lasts so long and just gives great results every time. So, hope that was helpful. Now I've got to try using other shaving preps. Anyone want to send me some shaving preps to test for them? Please do. Be welcome.